Today is unboxing of my new Hermes handbag. And this is not Birkin, this is not Kelly, this is not Constance. It's a new style, and if you're interested, please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. I'm extremely excited. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of my new Hermes handbag. I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I'm gonna go right away to unboxing, and then I'm gonna talk after I show you the handbag, and if you're interested actually to see this handbag or get to know more about this handbag. So let me just pull everything from this huge box. I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the camera to show you. This is the name of the leather. This is Taurillon Maurice, and this is the new style of the leather from Hermes. I'm gonna talk a little bit more in details about this leather. So let me just do like that. So quickly removing all these ribbons. So excited. Ta-da! Let me see. Oh my gosh, it's too bright. You cannot really see anything. Okay, so here's the dust bag. And ta-da! This is the new style of Hermes handbag. The name of this handbag is 2424. It's derived from the location of the first Hermes store on 24 something street. I have to double check. So let me just remove everything and I will show it to you. So here is the handbag. I absolutely love it. Size of this handbag is 29. That's what they call it, size 29. Now when I look guys once again in the monitor at this bag is so beautiful. The stitching, the leather, you can feel the quality of the leather is so high, extremely high. Once again, what I would mention is that in this Taurillon Maurice, it almost has no sheen. It's more of the matte finish, because even you can see they're both in black, but this one totally look different compared to this one. This one almost has kind of grayish undertone to it. Love this handbag. I want to know your opinion. What do you think of this handbag? Am I crazy of spending almost like Kelly or Birkin money on this handbag? Because this handbag is really expensive, but I think this is a perfect everyday work bag. Extremely professional, extremely classy. It's a classy today, it will be classy in 50 years. That's at least how I see it. There you go guys. The color is black, and this is Taurillon Maurice, I believe. Let me just double check if I... Yes, this is made of Taurillon Maurice and the Ver Swift. So it's a combination of two different leather. So obviously the Swift leather is on this top panel, and Swift leather is well known, but Taurillon Maurice, it's a fairly new style of leather. This leather, they were saying that it might be a substitute for the Hermes Clemence leather, but it's totally different. When I spoke with my essay, he says in this leather they try to preserve the actual veining of the bull, because obviously it's made of the young bull, and you can see that the leather is very thick. It's little bit, not little bit, it's actually quite more structured comparing to Clemence leather. I'm gonna bring a handbag right now very close to the camera, and you're gonna see the veining, and it gives that character, you know, to the bag. And with combination of the Swift leather, because the Swift leather is very smooth and soft, so So this is kind of like almost opposite of each other. It's kind of like very, very robust leather of the bull, and this is very, very soft cowhide leather. So let me just come closer to the camera. I hope you can see the veining on the leather. This handbag has a back pocket which fits a cell phone perfectly. There is 2 additional hooks at the back when you can put your strap. The access inside is very, very easy. Let me actually show you the strap. So this is the strap. Strap is fairly short. So that's the strap, obviously with the markings that it's a Hermes, made in France. The clasp still have some plastic, and it's gold hardware, so obviously gold plated hardware. If you don't know, guys, the Hermes gold hardware, it's actually gold plated hardware. So let me put the strap on. So there you go. Some people don't like the way this handbag is kind of hanged when you put it on the shoulders like that. Yes, it gets kind of a little bit slouchy look, but when you actually put it on the shoulders and it's against the body, it's not that bad. But I tried at the store with the longer strap, but that strap is a little bit too masculine for me. I decided not to buy it. Maybe I'm gonna get it in the future, some different strap. But when you use it actually with the crossbody strap, it sits perfectly. It sits absolutely perfectly in front of the body. I love it. When I originally came to the store for my appointment, I was offered a different handbag. It was in tricolor or quadruple color, I would say. It was midnight blue with kind of indigo piping over here, so it's almost like a black looking piping. Then there is a burgundy on the top flap and the yellow color at the bottom flap, and that yellow color kind of like, you know, didn't really sit well with me. I was kind of like, yes, I love the bag so very much, but I cannot overcome that yellow color. And then my SA said, listen, I spoke with the manager, we have one more bag. It was supposedly like, you know, held for extremely important client, but that client didn't show up, whatever. And he says, if you want it, you can have it. And I was like, what color? He goes, black with the gold hardware. I was like, yes, please bring that bag. So obviously, because it's a black, I can put any twilly, I can put any color of the shoulder strap, and it's totally gonna change the look. Let me show you inside, guys. Like, the access is so easy. This Hermes famous lock, it's actually oversized. Comparing to Kelly or Birkin, it's much larger. It's really oversized, and I love that this handbag, it's actually even looking quite cool if you want to keep it just open like that, like, you know, slouchy. The access is so easy. Like, you see how easy is the access. There is a one back pocket, just a one back pocket, and you know, you can, like, you see how easy. I would say this handbag, I mean, you wouldn't go in a fancy restaurant for date dinner with this handbag, but this is absolutely perfect everyday handbag. And let me actually try some of my organizers, so then you're gonna get an idea of the size of this handbag. So this is my Speedy 25, and this is Hermes 2424. You see, it's almost close to the Speedy 25 size. So just for you to get an idea how big is this handbag, because obviously everybody knows Speedy. So, and right now I'm gonna try my bag organizer from my Speedy 25 and see if it actually fits inside this bag. It's literally, guys, all live. It's like a live show. So let me just try it and see if it fits. Okay, I would say it's a perfect match. So this is the bag organizer from my Speedy 25, guys, and it fits quite nicely inside. Let me just actually arrange a little bit. I would say it fits absolutely perfectly inside. You see? That's my Speedy 25 bag organizer, and it fits perfectly into this Hermes 24 in size 29. So this is it, guys, for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you love my channel in general, because I talk a lot about luxury, if you're into luxury, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would be really nice to see you again. If you enjoyed this video today, once again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.